Planning to mod your car? You've probably seen those Instagram builds with cold air intakes, flash tunes promising instant plus 50 horsepower, and exhausts that sound like fighter jets. Here's what nobody tells you. Most car mods are complete garbage. I'm talking about modifications that will drain your wallet, kill your engine, and leave you stranded on the side of the road with a repair bill worth more than your entire car. But here's the thing. Some mods are absolute game changers. Better throttle response, improved fuel economy, smoother power delivery. Done right, they'll transform how your car drives. The problem? Telling the difference. That's exactly what we're covering today. I'll walk you through the 7 modifications that are 100% worth your money. Every single one tested and proven by actual data. Plus, I'll expose the 5 popular mods that are silently destroying engines right now, including one that 90% of car guys swear by. And here's the deal. When we get to modification number 2, drop a comment and tell me, have you tried this one? Because the results might surprise you. Let's start with the cheapest mod on this list that actually delivers real performance gains. 7. High Performance Panel Air Filter. Most people think air filter upgrade means slapping a cone filter under the hood. That's how you lose power. But a drop-in high-performance panel filter? That actually works. These slot into your stock air box and replace the restrictive paper with high-flow cotton or synthetic mesh. Better airflow, smoother throttle response, improved fuel efficiency, without compromising safety or triggering codes. You're not messing with intake temps or risking hot air. It's clean, reversible, totally safe. The gain isn't massive, but it's real. Plus, they're washable, so you save money long term. Smart mod that delivers exactly what it promises. And if you think this is just about airflow, wait until your entire suspension stops flexing like a rubber band. That's next. 6. Polyurethane Bushings. Car feels vague in corners? Stock rubber bushings prioritize comfort over precision. Polyurethane bushings replace that soft rubber with stiffer material, reducing flex in suspension arms. Result: sharper steering, more predictable cornering, better feedback. You'll feel it immediately during lane changes. Everything's more planted and connected. Best part? Unlike solid mounts, poly bushings still absorb vibrations for daily comfort. Plus, they're resistant to oil, heat, and time, lasting way longer than rubber. No more mushy handling after 30,000 miles. Next up, unlock more power safely without putting your engine at risk. Number 5. Plug-and-Play ECU Module. Want more power without cracking open the ECU or voiding warranty? Plug-and-Play ECU modules connect directly to engine sensors via OBD port without overwriting your factory ECU. Forget sketchy plus 40 horsepower eBay claims. Quality modules from reputable brands deliver realistic gains, plus 8 to plus 15 horsepower, improved low-end torque, more responsive acceleration. All within safe air/fuel ratios. No mechanic needed, no software, no risk of bricking your ECU. Completely reversible and beginner-friendly. Some even let you fine-tune via smartphone. This isn't about pushing your engine to the edge, it's smart performance without sacrificing longevity. Next up, a mod that changes how your car breathes. And once you feel it, you'll wonder how you drove without it. Number 4. High-flow downpipe with sports catalytic converter. Improved airflow in? Now let your engine breathe out. High-flow downpipe with SportsCat unlocks hidden performance without going illegal. The downpipe connects your turbo to the exhaust. OEM versions are restrictive with narrow piping and dense cats. Sports downpipes use wider tubing and less restrictive 200 cell cats for better exhaust flow. Result? Quicker turbo response, reduced lag, subtle power bump, especially with a mild remap. Still passes emissions, won't smell like a lawnmower. Many retain sound insulation while enhancing tone just enough to make the car feel alive. The catch? Cheap sports cats throw error codes or melt. Stick to reputable brands for performance and peace of mind. Next, a fuel system upgrade that only makes sense if you're serious. Otherwise, don't bother. 3. High-flow fuel pump. This separates amateurs from serious builders. High-flow fuel pump is necessary when increasing power beyond stock, but only if done right. The logic: more air needs more fuel. Stock pumps are calibrated for factory setup. Go beyond that and fuel pressure drops. Combustion goes lean, risking piston damage or engine failure. Performance fuel pumps deliver higher flow rates, ensuring injectors are never starved. But here's crucial: must pair with proper ECU tune. Otherwise, you're dumping fuel blindly. Overkill for stock engines? Definitely. But if you're upgrading injectors, turbo, or going E85, this becomes essential, the backbone of safe, reliable power. Next, a mod that transforms grip and braking without touching your engine, yet delivers performance you feel every drive. Number 2, street-legal semi-slick tires. You can spend thousands on horsepower or suspension, but nothing transforms your car like semi-slick street tires. Grip is everything, and factory tires are built for comfort, not performance. Semi-slicks use softer compounds, stiffer sidewalls, and minimal tread for maximum road contact. Better cornering, shorter braking distances, sharper response except in standing water. Modern semi-slicks are 100% street legal. Whether carving mountain roads or emergency stops, you'll feel the difference instantly, like a $10,000 chassis upgrade. Trade-off, they wear faster and get noisy. But the performance gain? Unmatched. Next, more torque down low, better throttle response, and deeper sound without touching your exhaust. Number 1, sealed cold air intake. Want better low-end torque, sharper throttle response, and meaner engine sound without sacrificing safety? Sealed cold air intake is one of the smartest mods. Key: must be closed airbox design, not cheap exposed cone filter. Sealed systems draw cooler, denser air from outside the engine bay through dedicated ducts. More oxygen-rich air equals better combustion and noticeable torque gains at lower RPMs. Unlike open filters sucking hot engine air, sealed setups keep temperatures low. Bonus: deeper, throatier intake sound without exhaust drone. Most closed kits remain street legal and emissions compliant. No check engine lights, MAF damage, or hydrolocking risk with proper engineering. But not all mods are this safe. Next, the first of 5 engine-killing modifications, starting with a dangerously popular intake that could cost you horsepower and your engine. 5. Exposed cone air filter in the engine bay. It might look cool, it might sound aggressive, but mounting an open cone air filter directly inside your engine bay is one of the most common and dangerous mistakes car modders make, especially on turbocharged engines. Here's why engines love cold, dense air. But when you stick a cone filter in a hot engine bay, all it breathes in is hot, oxygen-depleted air. The result? Less power, not more. In fact, dyno tests have consistently shown that poorly positioned cone filters can cause horsepower drops, even on tuned cars. Worse, on forced induction engines, the hot intake air can lead to knock and detonation, especially under load. That's when your ECU starts pulling timing to protect the engine, or fails to in time. Either way, it's a recipe for piston damage or turbo stress. And don't forget, cheap cone filters often provide poor filtration, letting dust and debris into your intake. Over time, that accelerates wear on the turbo, throttle body, and cylinder walls. If you want induction sound and better airflow, stick with a sealed intake. Otherwise, that cheap cone filter might just cost you a full engine rebuild. Coming up, another mod that sounds fun until it starts breaking your turbo from the inside out. Number 4. Universal pop-off valve installed incorrectly. You've probably heard it, that sharp psh every time a turbo car shifts. It sounds like pure performance, and many enthusiasts rush to install aftermarket blow-off valves, aka pop-off valves, just for that sound. Why? Because turbocharged engines rely on balanced boost and vacuum pressure. A mismatched or poorly tuned pop-off valve could cause boost leaks, turbo flutter, or worse, torque holes during acceleration. That means you press the gas, and the car hesitates, bogs down, or surges unpredictably. Even worse, if the valve vents to atmosphere on a system designed for recirculation, your ECU gets confused. It sees missing air, adjusts fuel delivery incorrectly, and runs the engine too rich or too lean, damaging injectors, valves, or the turbo itself. Think it won't happen to you? Mechanics see this mistake all the time. One poorly installed valve equals hundreds in diagnostic time, and possibly a new turbo. So unless you know exactly what your engine needs and how to tune it, skip the universal options. Stick to OEM spec or brand-specific solutions. Next, a performance mod that could literally choke your engine to death in under 1,000 miles. 3. Removing the catalytic converter. Without a proper tune. Some drivers think ripping out the catalytic converter is an easy shortcut to more horsepower. After all, less restriction equals more performance, right? Wrong. Removing your cat without a dedicated ECU remap is one of the fastest ways to ruin your engine, and get in serious legal trouble too. Here's why. Modern engines are finely tuned to work with emission systems. When you yank the catalytic converter, the oxygen sensors send data that no longer makes sense to the ECU. The result? The engine runs lean, meaning too much air, not enough fuel. Running lean might give you a short burst of power, but it raises combustion temperatures, increases knock risk, and destroys pistons, valves, and cylinder walls over time. It's like asking your engine to sprint uphill, with no air and no water. And that's not even counting the check engine light, failed inspections, and exhaust drone that follows. In some countries, driving a car without a cat is a criminal offense, with fines in the thousands. Want better flow? Go for a sports catalytic converter paired with the right map. That way you stay legal, safe, and still get the performance bump. Up next, a tuning shortcut that sounds like a steal online, but could turn your engine into a ticking time bomb. Number 2, off-the-shelf ECU tunes, copied from other cars. It might seem tempting. Spend $100 online for a Stage 1 tune. Someone swears worked wonders on their Golf GTI and just upload it to your ECU. Instant power, right? That's not how tuning works. Your engine isn't a clone. Even if it seems identical, same displacement, same turbo, same model year, there are dozens of small variables. Injector flow, fuel quality, sensor calibration, gearbox software, and even altitude. When you apply a generic map made for someone else's car, you're throwing all that out the window. The result? Misfires, overboost, detonation, heat soak, broken pistons, failing rods, and worst of all, zero warning until it's too late. Modern engines are already running close to the edge from the factory. A bad tune can push timing too far, lean out the fuel mix, or let boost spike uncontrollably. And no, your knock sensor won't always save you. A copied map that made one car fast might make yours explode. If you want to tune, go to a reputable tuner who reads your ECU, checks your hardware, and adapts the map for your setup. Anything else is gambling, and the house always wins. Coming up next, a magic potion you pour in your tank that claims to clean your engine, boost power, and save fuel. What could possibly go wrong? Number 1. Miracle Fuel Additives. You've seen the ads. Just pour this in your tank and unleash hidden horsepower. Promises of better MPG, more torque, cleaner injectors, fewer emissions, all from a tiny bottle that costs less than lunch. Sounds too good to be true? That's because it is. Most so-called miracle fuel additives are either snake oil or worse, actively harmful. They might contain solvents too aggressive for modern fuel systems, or ingredients that leave behind sticky residues. Over time, these can clog injectors, damage high-pressure fuel pumps, and even foul up your catalytic converter. The worst offenders? Additives that promise to boost power or restore compression. If your engine's compression is down, no fluid in the world will fix worn piston rings or warped heads. And here's the final kicker. If your engine fails and your dealer suspects an additive, warranty denied. Save your money and your engine. Stick to quality fuel, proper maintenance, and mods that are actually backed by science. Because real performance doesn't come in a plastic bottle. Car mods can completely transform your driving experience, but they can also turn your engine into a ticking time bomb. The difference? Knowledge. The 7 upgrades we covered aren't just cool. They're tested, logical, and built with longevity in mind. They respect the balance of your car's engineering while giving you real gains in performance, handling, and driving feel. No snake oil, no cheap tricks. Just smart tuning. But the 5 mods to avoid? They promise shortcuts and deliver disasters. From blown turbos to destroyed injectors, these upgrades cost more in repairs than they'll ever give back in performance. And worse, they put your engine, your safety, and even your warranty at risk. So before you fall for that next flashy ad or TikTok hack, ask yourself, is it worth the risk? Want more real-world tuning advice? Hit that subscribe button, drop a comment with your favorite mod, and tell us which ones you'd never try. And remember, fast is fun, broken is expensive. Choose wisely.